Hello everyone. Now welcome to this amazing YouTube channel. All I have to show you tonight is that you can browse in your mobile device or somebody's mobile device without leaving any traces behind. And what do you have to do about that? All you have to do is go to the browser that you are gonna use, and then do you see these three dotted icon here in my corner, in my upper right corner? Now all you have to do is go over there. Yes, I'm over here. Okay, click new incognito tab. What is the name of this word? Okay, click this one, yeah. Okay, all you have to do is click that and then browse. Just go and browse anything that you want. Okay, and then after browsing, you will discover that when you check when you check when you check your browsing history, you'll find that nothing is found. The sites that you have visited aren't saved in the incognito. Okay, all right guys, thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.